Okay, so now we'll do a little assessment of the neck. Okay, so we're going to come down, hands onto the base of the occiput, so flat shaped opening. So we're going to be our starting point. The first point you'll feel, C2. Count down, C3, C4, C5, 6, and 6, 7, which should be your CT junction. Okay, so again, we're going to come back up. I'm just going to do gentle movements of those segments to find highlights and restrictions. So the patient here, there is a restriction at C3-4 on the right hand side, and also at C5-6. On the left hand side, it's just C5-C6. So what we're going to do now is just going to feel the top levels, so C1, C2, the movement there. Another way of testing this would be to hook onto the transverse processes of C2 and just gently full translation of the head. And there's no restrictions in that area there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this first restriction on the right hand side. So C3-4. For this now, using the first MTP to go onto the transverse processes of C3-4. Rotate the head round to feel a lock. So side flexion, rotation. Once you're at this point, get the patient take a deep breath in and out. Nice little flex through there. Okay, again, now lower. What we're going to do this time, again, the patient to side bend the head with rotation, a little bit of flexion. Okay, take a deep breath in and out.